Chapter 1. Memory and Storage. Till now, we have learnt about various concepts in every subject. We have learnt the alphabets, vowels, addition, subtraction, etc. All these concepts are stored in our brain as a memory. A memory is the ability of a person to remember things. In a similar manner, we can say that computers also have memory. A computer memory is used to store data and instructions that help in the execution of various tasks and functions. Memory. Memory is the storage space of a computer. Instructions that are sent to the computer through input devices are stored in the memory. Look at the following classification. Primary memory. Primary memory is known as the main memory of the computer. This memory can be directly accessed by the CPU. Primary memory is located on the motherboard of the computer. It is of two types, RAM and ROM. Random access memory, RAM. RAM is also known as volatile or temporary memory. It saves the data temporarily. It only saves the data that is currently in use. The data will be lost once the computer is turned off. Random only memory, ROM. The data stored in ROM is permanent. In ROM, the data is not lost even when the computer system is turned off. It stores the instructions that are required for starting a computer. ROM is also known as non-volatile memory. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is permanent. The data information stored in the secondary memory is not readily accessible to the CPU. Devices used as secondary memory are called secondary storage devices. There are three such devices: magnetic disk, optical disk, flash drive. Magnetic disk. Magnetic disk is a storage device that uses the process of magnetization to read, write or access data. It has a magnetic coating on both the sides. Data can be recorded or erased from a magnetic disk as many times you want. Hard disk. A hard disk is used for storing data using magnetic storage. Its position is permanently fixed in the system. Each hard disk has a top and bottom surface on which data is recorded using the magnetic head. Hard disks are primarily used for storing program and data files. There are various sizes of hard disks with storage capacity of 5 terabits, terabyte, or more. It is much easier for a CPU to access the data stored on a hard disk than a CD. External hard disks are also available which can be easily connected to computer with the help of a USB port. Optical disk. An optical disk is a storage device that uses a laser beam to read and write the data. Compact disk. Compact disk, CD, is a portable storage device that can be used to store, play or record data in a digital format. Up to 700 megabytes data can be stored in a CD. There is a CD drive connected inside the CPU box which is used to read the information stored on a CD. A CD drive can also be connected through a USB port. Digital versatile disc or digital video disc, DVD. There are not many differences between a CD and a DVD. Both work in the same manner. The only difference is that a DVD can store more information data in comparison to a CD. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is also a type of an optical disc. It gives 5 times more storage space than the traditional DVDs. Hence, it is used for storing a large amount of data. Flash drive. The flash drive is a storage device that uses flash memory. Pen drive. Pen drive is a storage device that is portable, small in size, and easy to use. It is very convenient to use pen drives because we can store a large amount of data. It can be easily connected to any computer using USB. Memory card. Memory card is a small and flat storage device that is used to store media and data files. It is generally used in cameras and mobile phones. A card reader is required to read the data stored in a memory card. Measuring the memory of a computer. The computer memory is measured in bytes. 1 byte is formed by a group of 8 bits. Example, 10001011. A group of 4 bits is called nibble. Example, 1010. We can also measure the memory of a computer in kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte, etc. Units of measurement for storage data. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabits. 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 PB. 1 zettabyte is equal to 1024 EB. 1 yottabyte is equal to 1024 ZB. Let us recall. Memory is the storage space of a computer. Instructions that are sent to the computer through input devices are stored in the memory. Magnetic disk is a storage device that uses the process of magnetization to read, write, or access data. An optical disc is a storage device that uses a laser beam to read and write the data. The flash drive is a storage device that uses flash memory. The computer memory is measured in bytes. We can also measure the computer memory in kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, and terabyte, etc.